name's Rob Lee. I'm a permaculture consultant, and I wanted to,
I'm sorry, what kind of a consultant?
permaculture. We work to reduce fire, flood, erosion, drought, and famine by reshaping landscape towards natural principles. And it's a diversity of landscape, and so we don't use fertilizers and external pest management. So, good evening, council members. Water is life, and the solutions are excitingly simple. We are here tonight because of the definition of insanity is doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting a different result. For too long, we've been facing foul-smelling tap water, serious nitrate contamination in our private and public wells, adding a crippling financial burden to the infrastructure that is failing us. This isn't just an inconvenience. This is a public health concern and an economic drain on every family in this community, also on our health. Our current approach of chasing and dropping aquifer by drilling deeper wells is not a solution. It's an expensive bandage on an arterial wound. Our deep aquifers are declining by over 3 feet per year, yet we continue to invest energy in a strategy that only accelerates the depletion. Digging deeper mentality has saddled our city with debt, forcing residents to pay for water they still can't trust. We are literally digging ourselves into a deeper hole, both environmentally and financially. The answer isn't deeper down, it's right in front of us, falling from the sky and on the surface. We must shift our mindset from depletion to infiltration. Every year, nearly 250,000 gallons of water per acre are lost due to mismanagement and runoff of our region because of an eroded landscape that sheds water rather than absorbs it. You can harness this by implementing ecological engineering, swales, check dams, managed infiltration basins. We can slow down, spread out, and soak in this precious resource into our upper water table. Immediate strategic planting of deep-rooted crops like hemp and sunflowers can naturally bioremediate nitrates, cleaning our water before it ever reaches the aquifer. This is nature's blueprint for water security. This isn't about long-term studies or abstract theories, it's about immediate and tangible action. Decentralized rain catchment and localized infiltration cost a fraction of new municipal well projects, and they are actually address the root of our problems rather than perpetuating problems by maintaining land. We can also implement localized multi-stage filtration and distillation systems to ensure safe, clean drinking water at the point of distribution, bypassing our failing centralized infrastructure. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the urgent need. Let's stop paying for worse results. Let's work with nature, fix the landscape, give Mabton the clean, resilient water security it deserves. The time for action is now. And I am willing to donate my time with anybody who's interested in some of these solutions. I've been working on it for years, and I've been on global podcasts with really, really great results. I'm being supported now by Native American Church out of Utah, and they're recognizing that the solutions that I'm suggesting are aligning with nature, how nature does things naturally, and that's by doing it locally. And when we can collect the water locally where it falls and soak that into the aquifer, we're building a local abundance. And then one of the benefits of the nitrates that are in this valley is they can be used for energy production. We have biogas accumulation, right? And then that could be used through internal combustion engines, driving generators to produce power for this community. So we can turn the problem into an abundance. So thank you.
Thank you. We have